So this is the 4 inches, guys. There. And he's enjoying it right now. He's so excited. So this is what it looks like. As I said, this is foldable. So you can see, you can pull it like that. You keep saying you can make it a slide. Look. He likes it a lot. So.
Hey Mama, what's this? What's this?
Okay. Careful. Okay. Go sit down first. I take picture of you. Sit down. You still like?
Okay.
Oh God. Press anything. I'm just gonna show what it looks like. So, me sitting here like that. It's comfy.
Hey, what's this red button?
Don't! I said don't press anything. Did you video or not?
I didn't push anything.
So it's so comfortable. So you can do it like this. So if you have visitors, then you can make it like a bed. Like this. Move.
I know.
And make it like this. Make it like that. Okay. So, make it like this. Comfy? It's comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah? It's comfortable. Nice.
I'm gonna show you something.
See? It's good for guests. If you have a guest now, sleep over. Sleep here. Let's start. So, it's comfy. Yeah, we got
I will.
Get out first, get out first. Like this. And no, out.
Wait, I want to do something.
What? Make it like, let's see if I can like all the way like fold it like that. Okay?